What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping in the next one on our Xavier Rudd journey. It's been a minute. You know, the mass music is magical. Spirit Bird, live in Belgium at Forest National Arena. Shout out to Judith for the request. I appreciate you. Let's jump in, check it out together, see what we got.
Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry. Sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before. Culture fades with tears and grace, leaving us stunned, hollow with shame. We have seen this all before. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. And slowly it fades. Slowly it fades. And slowly it fades. And slowly it fades. Emana yo 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 yo, 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 Emana yo. She knows she is, seen us all before. She is, seen us all before. She is. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans. She knows she is, seen us all before. She is, seen us all before. She is.
That's the kind of music it's hard to describe because it's touching you on a whole different kind of a level. Look around, man. The world is so full of pain, so full of people that are hurting. We've all kind of lost our way. It wasn't that long ago in the grand scheme of things that everybody was more in touch with nature, that we were living off the land, that our people were living off the land, were making it all work. And somehow we got here to where when you look around, there's chaos and destruction and division and just downright sadness across the entire land, across the world. And that's what we get to wake up and see every day on the news and on technology is all of the sadness and all of the heartbreak. And it just adds to the overwhelming weight that is already on your shoulders. This makes all of that disappear for a few minutes. This is the reminder that you need. Maybe we need to go back to our roots. And one day we will. One day we shall return to the earth. It's all a big ass circle. It's all cyclic in nature. Nothing is being done right now that hasn't been seen before. It's damn overwhelming. That's what this is. Spiritual, like healing. Xavier Rudd, he is a healer. He is a damn magic healer.
For years, and slowly it fades, and slowly it fades, and slowly it fades, slowly it fades, slowly it fades. Emana yo 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 yo, Emana yo 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 yo, Emana yo 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 yo, Emana yo 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 yo. Soldier on, my good countrymen. Keep fighting for your culture now. Keep fighting for your land. I know it's been thousands of years, and I feel your hurt, and I know it's wrong, and you feel you've been chained and broken and burned, and those beautiful old people, those wise old souls have been ground down for far too long by that spineless man, that greedy man, that heartless man, deceiving man, that government hand, taking blood and land, taking blood and land, and still they can, but you're dreaming, and your warrior spirit lives on, and it is so, so, so strong in the earth, in the trees, in the rocks, in the water, in your blood, and in the air we breathe. Soldier on, my good countrymen. Keep fighting for your children now. Keep fighting for your land.
So many different feelings at once.
Stand strong, keep the fire burning. Stick together, gotta keep the wheels turning. Forcing companies to stand aside, forcing government to recognize the power of this tribe. Stand strong, keep the fire burning. Stick together, gotta keep the wheels turning. Forcing companies to stand aside, forcing government to recognize the power of this tribe. Stand strong, keep the fire burning. Stick together, gotta keep the wheels turning. Forcing companies to stand aside, forcing government to recognize the power of this tribe. Stand strong, keep the fire burning. I keep the fire burning.
Ooh, Lord.
Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry. Sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before.
That was a whole full body experience. Uh, that was something not of this world. That was something otherworldly, something spiritual, something beautiful. You could see that everyone in the audience had the same exact looks that I have on my face because I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting it. It was healing and helping and sad and painful all at the same time. It was like everything all at once. Get over show Xavier Rudd, all the love in the world. The links inside of the description. That man should already be up in the millions, like legitimately, because that just touches your soul and did something to you. Shout out to you again for the request. I appreciate it. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one, the mighty combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I'll be to the moon and back. Peace.